Greetings and welcome back to Valerian Santosa channel. After a few days waiting, my wireless charging adapter has finally arrived. Wonder how it looks? Let's find out in this video. But first, we need to open its first layer of security. This is a wireless charging adapter from a Chinese brand called Baseus or whatever you wanna call it for the owners of iDevices that doesn't support wireless charging yet, like my good old iPhone 5. The backside provides some information about the product and the manufacturer, with some reasonable amount of grammatical errors. Here is a scratch of security feature to make sure your product is legitimate, because Chinese love to copy everything. And on the bottom, you will find a window for the lightning plug. The packaging easily opens by separating the edges. This is the information paper, a plastic cover, and the adapter with an adhesive tape. You can certainly feel the soft black microfiber cloth, and if you hold it under the light, you will see the wireless element. Here is my iPhone 5. Installing the adapter is a piece of cake. Just make sure the thin ribbon cable is on the back of your phone, plug it into the lightning port, and place the adapter on the back of your device. Additionally, you can put the adhesive tape to secure the adapter on the back of your phone. Or, because this adapter is really slim, you can just put it on the case and it will stay on its place. The next step, you need to grab a wireless charger with Qi feature and connect it into a power source. Place your phone on the plate. Sometimes you need to slightly move the phone until you see the charging sign, as shown in the video. While waiting to charge, you can also check if your product is genuine or fake. First, scratch the security code. Next, open the Baseus website link in my blog. Then, fill your number on the first box. Then, fill the CAPTCHA. This is a Chinese CAPTCHA. If you don't understand Chinese, the registration will be more challenging. In my case, it's just 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. If you successfully pass the CAPTCHA, then you'll see the screen showing the date and time when someone registers your product for the first time. If it matches, your product is safe. Hey, thank you for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button and the bell sign and stay tuned for more unboxing and review. See you next time.